Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I have my December Boxyluxe here and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of it. So let's just go ahead and start unboxing this. Oh gosh, it's a pretty, I don't know, I feel like their boxes are always different shapes. This one's very deep, but here it is. Oop, there goes the card. Alright, so they always have a different theme each month, and the theme this month is whimsy. I don't know if you guys can even see the card. Let me turn down my lights. There we go. It's very pretty. It doesn't really, I don't know. It doesn't strike me as very wintry looking. It does have like a very cute fairy up in the top, and I guess those are supposed to be like cranberries maybe, or I wouldn't say they're mistletoes, but alright, and then of course on the back is all the prices and the list of the items. Alright, so first thing I'm seeing in here, which I'm not really impressed, or I don't know, is this daily hair wrap towel. Now I think I've gotten one of these before. I don't think I got it in actual BoxyCharm, but I think I got one of these in my FabFitFun last month. So, I mean, not that that's BoxyCharm's fault, you know, but again, if you're someone who likes these types of things, and you'll probably be pretty psyched to get it, but for me personally, I just don't care for hair towel wraps. I don't ever wrap my hair in a towel, so this is just kind of not something that I'm going to use, but I'll probably just end up passing this on to somebody else. But this is by Daily Concepts, and it's just a daily hair wrap towel. Alright, and the retail price for this is $18. Alright, so moving on, the next thing in here is by Saturday Skin, and it is a waterfall glacier water cream. Glacier. May have to turn my lights down just a little bit. Alright, and this is, I think it's just moisturizer. Alright, so the card says that this is an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, amino acids, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. I don't really understand what all it's saying, but it's a moisturizer is all I know. It doesn't say whether this is like for your face or if it's for your body. I don't know, I'll look into this. But here's the little bottle. I'm not going to open this because I probably won't be using this until I finish my other moisturizers. But this is what it looks like. It's very cute. I like the little teardrop there in the front. Alright, and this retails for $39, which that's quite a bit. Next thing in the box is by In-Beauty Project, and it is a Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap the little thing just so it doesn't have a glare on it, so that I can give you guys a close-up. Alright, so it's supposed to help you with redness and blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and dullness. And I think it has like aloe vera in it, I think. So yeah, it looks really pretty cool. It's kind of got this weird green color. I think it does have aloe vera because there in the top I can see kind of like gel or something up top, like aloe vera gel. And it says you have to shake it out before you use it. So this retails for $32, which that's quite a bit of money. So far these two products are pretty pricey in my opinion. Alright, and then moving on, we have something from Too Faced in here, and that is the metallic liquid lipstick. And I have it in the shade Faking It. So there it is, and this retails for $21. Now, honestly, I'm not a fan of metallic anything, like when it comes to lips. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. And we can look at it when it dries down, but here it is swatched. I mean, it's not a horrible color, but it is kind of shimmery there, and I'm not a big fan of shimmery stuff on my lips. But I'll try it out and I'll see how I like it. Alright, and then moving on, have another makeup product, and this is by Ciate London, and this is the Confetti Highlighter. Oh, it's that packaging, the one that I don't like. Oh, it's so shiny, and it's gonna get dirty, I just know it. Alright, but this is in the, I think it's in the shade Confetti. I don't see another shade name anywhere else. I think on the box it might have said something else. Let me see. No, it doesn't say anything. I'm assuming the shade is called Confetti, not really for sure. But this retails for $32. Let me show you guys the inside now. Yeah, I could use the back of this as a mirror. Honestly, I'm looking at myself right now. Oh, jeez. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. I'll be honest, the other option I think was going to be the blush. And honestly, I would have preferred the blush because this honestly looks like it's going to be too dark for me. There it is right there on the back of my hand. I think it's going to be too dark for me. I'll try it out, but it looks a little too dark. I mean, that almost looks like a blush, which I could use it as a blush, but I would have preferred the blush, honestly. But I mean, I'm glad to have gotten something from Ciate London. Alright, a few more things and then we're done. Alright, next product I think is skincare. Yep, it's by Fresh, and it's Soy Face Cleanser. And this is a cleansing gel, and it's for all skin types. It's supposed to remove makeup, even mascara, and it's not supposed to be drying. It's not supposed to dry out your skin. And it's supposed to soothe and tone your skin. Another box. Very simple packaging, which is okay with me. I kind of like simple packaging sometimes. It's really long, so I'm kind of trouble showing you guys. But I'm not going to open this yet because, again, I'm still using other skincare products and I don't want to open it because I'm not ready to use it yet. But it is really exciting to be getting skincare products in here. Alright, next up is by QMS, and it is a lip liner corrector. Alright, what does this do? It's supposed to be formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. It's supposed to target fine lines and wrinkles. It's designed to hydrate and plump lips for smoother, youthful appearance. Oh my gosh. The retail value on this is $200. No freaking way. Oh my gosh, man, this better make your skin super smooth for that price. Good lord. I want to open it, but oh, it's just kind of one of those. That's kind of cool. You twist it up, and then I guess you pump it out. I mean, I'll try it out, but no way am I going to buy this ever again. I would never purchase that. I'm sorry, but $200? No way. Alright, 2 more products, and I'm saving the best for the last. But next up is by M. Green Grass, and it is a dry oil spray. I've never tried a dry oil before, but it comes in a glass bottle. I do really like the packaging. I like the glass bottle, and it has a sprayer on top. It looks really nice. So this is supposed to be fast absorbing multi-purpose dry oil spray It's formulated with a blend of high-quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. So you're supposed to layer for hand and body for extra moisture. Sounds pretty nice. I mean, I'll try it out. I think they say you can use this on your hair too. Yeah, you can use it for your hair or your body. And this baby retails for $36. I have a feeling that this box value is going to be really, really high this month. I mean, of course, because that one product's freaking $200. Alright, which is kind of nice. I probably will use this on my body, I think. I don't think I'll use it on my hair because my hair has a tendency to get kind of oily. So, I don't need any more oils in my hair. Alright, and the last but not least is by Fairy Tale Storybrooks Cosmetic. And it is this really cool eyeshadow palette. So here's the front of it. And then on the inside, this is one of the coolest packaging I've seen in a palette in a while. This is so cool. And even like in the corners, it kind of looks dirty. And I thought at first it was dirty, but I think they're supposed to be trying to make it look like a book. And you know, kind of how pages get dirty sometimes. So yeah. So this is by Storybrooks Cosmetics. I said Fairy Tales in the beginning, but it's just Storybrooke Cosmetics. And this is a little Briar Rose palette, and this retails for $55. Which, yeah, that's pretty pricey, but it is really cool looking. It really looks like a book, and I'm probably going to display this somewhere. I don't know where yet, but I will be putting this on display. It's really cool. I really, really like the packaging. And alright guys, that is everything in the box. I'm going to go ahead and tally everything up, and then I will give you guys my overall review. I don't remember, as I'm tallying this up, I don't remember if I said how much this soy face cleanser was, but this is $48, which that's quite a bit for a cleanser, honestly. But anyways, back to calculating. Alright guys, and the overall value for this box, which is mostly because of this product, is $481. That's quite a bit. That's a lot considering I only paid, what, I think it's $50 for this box? Yeah, which this palette itself is $55. So this is just basically, one product is basically the price of the box. That's a pretty high value this month. I don't remember what the value of last month's was, but I'm pretty sure it wasn't this high. Alright guys, so my overall review is there's a lot of good things in here this month. The palette, the cleanser, I mean the oil's really cool. I've never heard of a dry oil before, so I'm really looking forward to trying that out. I mean, I think this one's kind of cool. I probably will just use this on its own. I think it says you can set it with your makeup, and I might, but I don't know. I'm just kind of concerned that the aloe vera might, I don't know, make my makeup run. I don't know. I'll try it out. Sate London, it's nice. I mean, I don't know, honestly, if I'm going to be able to use it. So that might be a miss for me. I do always like getting moisturizers. Again, I'll try this out, but I mean, I will never repurchase it. And this, I don't really like this. So, honestly, these three products are probably my least favorite out of all of them. Just because I don't like metallic lipsticks. I don't have any use for this, and I don't think this highlighter is going to work for me, but I will give it a try. So yeah guys, that is going to conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a like if these are the types of videos that you like seeing. And also comment down below and tell me if you got the same items, what you guys got, if you got a different variation. I forgot to say which variation I had. I guess I have variation 25. Over here. I think the lip colors, there was like a wide variety of shades in here, which I like the shade. Oh, I didn't show you guys the actual dry down. Here's what it looks like dried down. So it's a little metallic-y, not too bad, but anyways, I'll try it out. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday and a wonderful weekend, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!